Making customers happy is a serious priority with us here, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So find out what makes our customers so happy and why they value our extensive knowledge and experience, and how we earn their glowing reviews. Find out how we can help you. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.